What if we weren't actually meant to be?
Everything else fades away because you're here in front of me, losing it. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Thanks for clicking on this video. For real. It's currently 1:30 in the afternoon. I'm on the way to pick up my friend because we are going to a pottery class, I believe. Either a pottery class or just like a painting pottery session. And after that we're gonna go grab lunch, and then after, maybe if it's God's will, we are going to a cafe just to chill. We only hang out when we go to the gym together, and that's really happy that our schedules align today. So I started watching this family that has a YouTube channel. Like, guys, why do I suddenly feel like I want to go on adventures? Like, what? Oh my gosh, the lighting is so broad. Oh, I really thought I got caught by a police because I was speeding a little bit. Back to what I was saying, I started watching the Ong family. So they're basically a family that goes on an adventure and then like camps out wherever they can, literally, and meet people that they don't know. And I don't know, they just go on like really fun adventures, and like they camp out wherever they can, or they ask people that they meet if they can crash in their house. Like, how fun is that? And then they have like all the equipments for like recording or filming their adventures. It looks really fun. Yeah, I really like their videos. It makes me want to go to a lot of adventures this year because that type of person who doesn't go on adventures, I don't know why, because I literally grew up in the Philippines like climbing freaking huge trees. And is that a stop sign? No, it's not. Okay, when did I stop? Okay. Anyways, okay, I'm here at my friend's house. I'm just gonna pick her up. Boom, boom, boom. Okay, she is Amy. You already met her. I'm down for whatever. As long as it's nearby.
Yeah, I'm trying to
like the plaza before Sage.
It's like near that plaza.
Yeah.
That one. It's in that plaza. Do you want Korean food?
Sure.
Okay, let me see if there's Korean food. Hello?
Have you tried that dim sum place near like a superstore? There's like a dim sum place there, but I haven't went.
Oh, Aroma Dim Sum? Yeah. I go there all the time. I went there yesterday. No, yesterday. The day before. It's actually good.
Really?
It's good. Oh, you know that sushi place that's there too is really good too.
Sushi place?
What the frick, it's closed.
Oh no.
Opens 4:30. What are you craving? Like, are you like something like you know, like what kind of food are you craving?
What is we're basically the same.
No,
like, no, you. No,
I don't know.
Oh, it's your sister.
Anna! Love you, bye! Then us. And then I don't even drive, bro.
Oh yeah, that's true.
She just be driving. Okay.
How about you? What do you want? You want pho instead?
Pho sounds good too.
It's up to you. You
Pho?
want? Okay.
Let's go pho.
Sorry, okay, let's go. I'm too hungry to think.
No, we can't go wrong with pho.
I know. Joe resigned and he made a chopper instead. Look what we have here. We have some jollibee. Okay, so we have some palabok with chicken. Shredded mashed potatoes and some gravy. So we're gonna do a mukbang. One for me, one for extra. Please. Okay, watch it then. It's okay.
Okay. So you ask me first. What's something that you've always wanted to tell me, but you're scared?
I'm scared.
There it is, guys. Come back for the next episode. Bye.
I return the question. What
I don't know.
exactly? What's something that you're scared to tell me?
Nothing.
Are you sure? Confess, bro.
Yeah. Yeah.
Nothing? Okay, what's something that I do that irritates you the most?
Let me think of just one. 'Cause there's a lot.
Come on, you don't need to think for this.
When you know what's something that I... What?
You're ready to answer, you don't even know the question? What's something that I do that irritates you the most?
Nothing really. It doesn't really... It just bothers me.
Okay, irritates, bothers.
When you're still hungry but you decide to not go get food.
That irritates you?
And then you make me go get it. Especially when we're eating at like a party or a church.
Oh. Okay,
You're
go
like,
on.
Can you go get me this? I'm shy to go get it. I'm like, you're still hungry? You're like, yeah. I'm like, come with me. You're like, no, I'm shy. Looks like I'm
Babe,
the one
no.
eating a lot.
What's the point of me asking you to go get it if I'm gonna go with you?
So we can both go get food.
What's the point of me asking you if I should have just gone myself?
Because I won't be able to put enough food on my plate.
You can always go back. Your turn.
If you could be a superhero for one day, who would you be? Or what would you want to be? Oh, if you had superpowers for a day.
Okay, give me options.
Any superpowers.
Any?
Yeah.
Teleportation does.
Bye.
Up. What if? You know yung what if na. Okay, this is not a question anymore. You're
Huh?
Basta kita ng what ifs.
Oh.
What if I said no to you and then broke up with you after and then said yes to another guy?
Huh? Send you what? Oh, send yes? Said yes?
To another guy.
I guess so. What can I do?
Huh?
What can I do?
Di mo akong paglalaban. Okay. Okay, your turn.
You already said yes, you married someone else.
Okay, yeah, okay. Valid. But I showed you the couple, right?
I watched it.
Yeah.
What if we broke up right now? Or not right now, but like tomorrow.
Okay. That's how you answer. Okay. What can I do about it?
I mean, this is a-
What if my parents secretly dislike you, but I'm just too scared to tell you?
okay, I'll make them like me.
How?
Like me. Keep trying to do
What if that day you asked me out when we were 15?
15.
15 years old. I said, not yet.
What if we weren't actually meant to be?
It's okay. At least I learned things from this relationship
Like,
and experience.
okay, can you like it?
Who am I gonna be with?
I don't know.
Flowing like the ocean, caught up in emotion. Everything else fades.